Hi guys, it's Katie and today is payday, so I'm going to be doing another cash envelope stuffing video. This will be part 2 for my August pay. So yeah, my total paycheck was $448 this week, so I went ahead and figured out how much I would need, how much I'd have left over and all that stuff. I did only take out $345. I broke everything down here, so I made $448. I ended up only taking out $345 because I decided to leave my bills in the bank so I wouldn't have to worry about putting them back in. So I've only got like my spending money and my sinking funds that I'm taking out to actually put in. And again, this is only the second time I'm doing this, so I'm still trying to figure everything out. So it's a little all over the place, but I feel like once next month rolls around, I'll actually be able to figure it out a little bit better. So we're just going to go ahead and get started with the bills. So I've got this right here, so I'm going to go ahead. So the first bill I have is for the gym, so that gets $5. I'm going to just go ahead and write down on here, today's the 17th, and we're going to say $5. This one was already paid, so I'm just going to cross that out, and then once I know I get to the total is when this envelope will be good. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw $5 in here since I only owe, yeah, I'm going to throw, I go ahead and throw 5 singles in here. Alright, so that's all taken care of. For Etsy, I left that money in my bank account, so I'm not going to worry about that. Savings is going to stay. It's just easier that way, but I am going to write down how much I save. That way I can just keep track. So $8.17. I went ahead and I left $10 in there. So once that gets to $25, I'll know that I'm good to go. I'm just going to keep track on the piece of papers for my bills. It's just easier than having to take all that money out all the time and then put it back in. It just seems redundant to me. So for my insurance, I'm going to go ahead. I left $22 in there for that because I have about 3 paychecks until it's due, so I've kind of broken it up that way. I'll see how it works because I haven't even paid my insurance for this month yet. It comes out in a couple days, so I'm still waiting for that. And then this is for the following month. Phone bill, again, that's left in my bank account, and I left $23 in there. Gonna mark that. Alright, so that is about all for my bills. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reclip those. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm gonna move on to I have my other bills here, so my credit card and my loan payments. This I also left in my bank account. It's just easier because all these payments come out automatically from my checking account. So I figure it's just easier to leave it in there. So for my credit card, I left $14 in there. And then for my loans, I went ahead and left $34. So by the time these bills are due, I should have enough money saved up for them from each paycheck. But yeah, those are just my debt things, so I'm going to clip those off and set those aside. now I'm going to move on to my spending money. So all my spending money is kept in this wallet here. This is just the wallet I take everywhere with me. So I got my spending. I randomly still have some, I just threw some money in there. I don't even know where it goes or where it came from. So that's just like extra money I have. But so in here, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my food envelope. So this is empty. I used the 20 bucks for the food. I ate a lot. But for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and, so yeah, that 20 is gone. So this time around, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put $30 in there just because I eat a lot, and I kind of did go a little bit over, and I was dipping into like my other spending things and like grocery because I didn't use as much grocery or spending money. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 30 in there this time. So we'll go 20 and 30. Just go ahead and put this right in here. Okay. Then my grocery, I think I still have money left in here. Yeah, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4. I have $5 left for my grocery fund. I think I only put 20 in here. So, yeah, I didn't really end up using that much, so I'm just going to set that aside real quick. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put another $20 in here, so yeah. Just going to go ahead and put another 20 in here for grocery stuff in case I need anything. I think the only grocery type stuff I bought last week was like printer paper for my computer. But yeah, 20 might be a little much, but rather be safe than sorry. And for gas, I did end up spending my 20, and 20 lasted me all week, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and put in another 20. It was able to fill my tank, and I still have like half a tank left, so that should be good. So I'm going to just throw another 20 in there. Alright, for my spending money, I spent all that because I did go to the fair, so I did spend the whole 40 that I put in there. I didn't spend all the 40 at the fair, but I didn't spend the entire 40 at the fair, but I ended up dipping into it to get more food throughout the week. So yeah, but for this, I'm going to go ahead and throw 40 in again. And I'm also going to just throw in this extra money that I had left over from spending. Because, you know, why not buy myself something? So that's $1, 2, 3, 4, $8. So I'm going to have a total of 48 for spending money. And I'll probably end up using this for food or something because that's just the kind of person I am. Alright, so that is all of my spending envelopes. So I'm just going to go ahead, toss these back in here. So spending, gas, and then food and grocery can just go back in here. There we go. Alright, now it is time to move on to my sinking funds. Yay! Okay, so, for moving out, yeah, I only put $20 in here last week because I made a little bit less than I thought. So I'm going to put 100 in this time. My original plan is to put 60 in here, a paycheck. So I'm putting 60 in for this week and then 40 for the last week that I didn't put in, so 8, 10. Alright, so that'll give me 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20. That'll give me 120. Okay, so that's good. Starting a nice little savings here. Go ahead, put that back in the envelope. For my car fixie, I'm going to go ahead and put in 40. Again, I'm compensating for last week because I only put $20 in there, so now I'm going to have a total of $60. I'm slowly working my way up to fixing my car. It's going to be a little while, but if I have extra money, I'm probably going to throw more money in here than just the 40. Okay, so it's good. Now I'm going to move on to computer. I didn't throw any money in here. My original plan was to put 15 per paycheck. So this time I'm going to throw in $30. So 30. Just going to mark that down. Okay. That right in there. For my tattoo money, I'm throwing in 50 because I didn't put any in last time, so this is making up for last time. I was planning to do 25 a paycheck because I'm trying to save up to get a tattoo by October, and I figured it out that it would be about $25 a paycheck, so and that's what I'm doing with that. And then for gifts, I have $15, which is going to go in here, and that is what I planned to put in here, so it all works out. I didn't put any money in here last week, and I did budget for 15, but I figure this is fine because Christmas isn't for a few months, so it's whatever. And then the only other birthday I have to worry about is my sister's in November, and then my anniversary's in November too, so I might get my boyfriend something nice. We'll see. But yeah, that is all for my envelopes. This system's actually been working pretty well for me. It's just nice having the money that I know I can spend and not going over, because I do have issues with overspending and just swiping my card all the time, but this is helping with that, and I kind of like carrying cash. It's nicer. Yeah, and then I have a bunch of loose change that I can just throw into my piggy bank and then roll it and have extra money. But yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you like this series, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what other kind of videos you guys want to see me do. And don't forget to subscribe so you guys can be notified every single time I upload. Yay! But yeah, that is all for this video, and I will see you guys next time for another one. So bye!